Magandang araw po sa inyo mga kaibigan. Ngayon pong araw na ito, April 6, nagkaroon po ng matinding balita dito sa Naga City sapagkat mayroon pong pasyente na nagpositive sa coronavirus. At ang mahirap nito, ito po ay patay na nung malaman na positive pala ito sa coronavirus. Kaya lahat ay naalarma sa nangyari sapagkat akala nila ay wala itong coronavirus. Kaya nagbigay po ng official statement ang Naga City o ang mayor ng Naga City at babasahin ko po sa inyo ang statement niya. Ito po yon. Official statement on Naga second confirmed COVID-19 case. On April 2, the patient complained of a fever, difficulty of breathing, and chest pain at about 10 p.m. He was transferred to BMC where he was immediately swab tested. At about 1 a.m. of April 3, patient died. He was immediately cremated upon the advice of the city health officer. Likewise, all person who had primary and secondary contact with the patient were quarantined. Initial investigation reveals the patient has no travel history in Metro Manila or outside of the country. Early this morning, April 6, we attempted to reach the regional office of DOH, and at 10:18 a.m. Dr. Ernie Vera, Regional Director of the Department of Health, confirmed to us that patient tested positive for COVID-19. As earlier mentioned, necessary precautions were already undertaken as early as April 3, and today, as additional precautionary measure, we ordered the re-disinfection of the entire barangay in place most part of Barangay Calawag under extreme community quarantine or lockdown. The people of Calawag are enjoined to stay at home and to monitor body temperature and health condition. Please immediately reach us for any symptoms or manifestations of illness at 0917-847-3644. This number is exclusive for the Calawag people subjected to lockdown. Inuulit ko mga kaibigan ha, para lang ito sa mga taga Calawag ha, huwag gamitin to sa kalukuhang number na binigay ko po ano. To our fellows Nagueños, please continue to observe proper hygiene and sanitation and follow all measures advised by our health authorities. Nelson is Legacion City Mayors. Yan po ang ulat ng ating mahal na mayor dito sa Naga City, Camarines Sur. Nakakatakot po mga kaibigan sapagkat ang Calawag Naga City po ay katabi lamang ng aming barangay. Diyos ko po. Ay nako. Kaya po pag lumalabas ako lagi po akong naka face mask at lagi po ako uminom ng luya para pangontra sa coronavirus. Diyos ko po, sana matapos na ito. Akala ko wala na magpa-positive sa amin kasi malapit nang matapos ang quarantine. Kaso mukhang ma-extend kami ng baka abutin pa kami hanggang katapusan. At sana po wala na magdumagdag na rito. Baka pag mayroon pa, ay nako, baka hindi nakapalabasan barangay kasi po katabi lang po ang barangay namin ng Calawag Naga City. At yun nga po, lahat po dito ay naalarma dahil sa balitang ito. Akala namin po ay wala nang magpa-positive pero mayroon pa. Kaya ang payo ko po sa lahat ng mga tao, wag na pong lumabas kasi ang virus po hindi natin nakikita, masyado pong mapanganib para sa ating lahat at sa ating pamilya. God bless po sa inyo, mag-iingat po kayong lahat. Salamat po.